Today I need to clean my house. When I tell y'all that my house is nasty, somebody commented on one of my cleaning videos maybe a month or two ago and they were like, can you do more cleaning videos, because I wanted to do like mental health checks. I like to know what you feel. I like to see cleaning. I see on YouTube that a lot of people have been trying to organize their life and get their life together, so I'm like, shit, I might as well try to get my life together. I think I want to start this series of living alone in Atlanta and show you guys my life, vlogs and all of that stuff. Let me know if y'all watch vlogs, because I be doing a lot of shit in Atlanta that I could be recording. But this is going to be a clean video, getting my life together, and let's get into it. I hate cleaning, so this is going to be freaking disaster. First off, it's hot as hell. We need to clean my kitchen, we need to clean my living room, we need to clean my bathroom, and I need to organize my clothes. I think I might be getting rid of some clothes because I don't even have a lot of clothes, so I don't even know why I'm getting rid of shit. I think I'm entering a new era of my life where I want to dress more mature. I feel like I'm getting out of the streetwear type of styles, because it's like, this is really just, I don't know, it's kind of played out and challenged me that everybody does it, so I'm out of that. Okay, we just gonna... This stuff right here from Target, the truth, I'm telling you, it smells so good. Like, bruh, I started using these hand soaps like a year or 2 years ago, and I love them. So I'm telling y'all, if y'all go to Target, y'all need to grab one of these. So last night I was talking to this girl on the phone. I did get kind of blown, but I ended up getting drunk because I got mad. I got pissed, and when I got pissed, I was like, fuck it, I'ma drink. Because I have like a whole bar up here. I'm down in shots. I had like 3 shots of vodka, 2 shots of Crown. Then I made 2 Crown Blackberry cocktails. What else did I have? Oh, I shotgun a White Claw. And then I was like, shit, I want to go to Waffle House. So I called my homeboy to come get me. I'm at Waffle House, just sitting in there like, and then I see T.I. and Tiny Son walk in. And I was like, wow, this, I was in there because my dumb ass was just like, bruh, that's T.I. Son. I'm like, I know he heard me. He was with his friends too. My ass started being like, Tiny. But I saw T.I. Son King last night. It was real cool. I was like, wow. Can this go in here? No. I thought it was gonna fit in that cabinet, but I'm the type of person, like, if I can't see things every day, it's out of sight, out of mind. So genuinely, I forget that I have an air fryer all the time, and then 3 months later, I'm like, shit, this is a surprise. Like, nigga, I got an air fryer. Okay, that kind of look better. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. I'm sweating, so you know I'm cleaning. So for the past 3 weeks, I've been having a gnat infestation. I brought a fiddle leaf fig like, what, a month or 2 ago, and I had baby gnats growing in that motherfucker like crazy, bro. And I still got gnats flying around, so I brought a bunch of the little gnat catchers, and they've been all around my house, and they start to look nasty because there's so many gnats. And I think I finally found a solution to fix them, which is like diluted hydrogen peroxide and watering my plants with those. But if you have any other solution to fix a gnat infestation, let me know, because shit, I'm tired of this shit, bro. I got a girl coming over next month, and I'm like, I can't I can't have gnats. Fighting for my life. Like, I don't want to make shit about work, but literally I feel like I've been in this cycle of going to work, coming home, playing pickleball, going to the gym, coming back home, and it's like I don't have time in the day to do shit, like to clean. I don't have time in the day to clean. I've been trying to work on my content. I want to post on YouTube more. I want to get more healthy for my body, and I've been cooking a lot more lately because I want to be healthier. I only eat out on weekends, so weekends gives me time to record. During the week after work, I edit, cook, and all that stuff. So now I'm at a stage where I'm trying to hyper get out content, and it's making me lack in other areas of my life. So the faster thing is to not clean until I have a time to clean. So that's why I was like, shit, I might as well do the video this week, cleaning and organizing and get my life together, because that makes so much more sense versus me trying to do a whole nother video of something else and not clean until next week. Because this weekend I'm going on a trip, so I have to pack for that. And I'm trying to debate if I should vlog the trip. If you guys want me to vlog the trip, let me know, because I'm like, this situation is because I was supposed to go home this weekend. So I was supposed to actually come back to Atlanta today from South Carolina. I packed Thursday night, took my bag to work. I'm going straight home to South Carolina. I'm not coming back to my apartment. And boom. Then all of a sudden at work, I think I had Korean barbecue for lunch because we got a new intern. And I was like, no, I'm tired. I'm not going home, bro. I think it was the carbs. It had to be the cars. I swear when I'm cleaning my house, the most randomest shit comes to my mind. Like I'm over here in my head singing, the wheels on the bus go round and round. The motherfucking wheels on the bus go round and round. I'm recording a video, so I'll call you back. Alright. Ugh. This is gonna be my thumbnail. So something I do struggle with is that I'm a bigger guy, so I tend to wear big ass jackets in the summertime, and all of my friends, like I'm the biggest person out of all my friends, so it's like I feel insecure about my body. So that's why I'm now in this little journey, trying to be on my shit with fitness and just trying to overall have better health, lose some weight. And I know a lot of people are like, everybody, we want to be skinny so bad and stuff, but I've been the biggest pretty much since middle school, 8th grade. So now I'm like in a phase where I want to get rid of my jackets. I actually want to get shirts and clothes that actually fit me, because I'll get a 2X or 3X and be like, oh, baggy tee, this is my style. No. Or now I've been buying like, I'm into the baggy jean look. I ain't gonna even lie. But now I've been buying, like, for the past, 3 or 4 years, maybe 5+ years of my life, I've been buying these big ass clothes, big ass jackets, oversized jackets, because I've been trying to hide my weight. But now I'm learning, like, that's something that was planted within me my high school years, maybe early college, not so much later in college. But I'm noticing now, like, people don't really judge weight no more. Like, that's a childish thing. Like, when you used to get picked on for being big and stuff like that, now it's like people genuinely don't care. Like, I used to always think to get a girl, you gotta be like the skinny built guy. But now as I'm getting older, I'm learning, like, people only care about your insecurities if you point them out. Like, if I'm going around like I'm the big guy, like I used to do that a lot, but now I've chilled on that. I'm losing weight now, and I'm starting to feel better about myself. I'm actually buying extra large shirts that's my size, and I'm like, all right, bro, it's time to get rid of some of these jackets, because we need to stop putting on jackets in the summertime. So that's something I really want to do, but I think we're gonna start on that note tomorrow, because the living room and kitchen got me beat, and I still gotta mop them motherfuckers. So yeah, I'd be saying those people are like excited to live life. Shit. So this is editing Jamie on here, and I just wanted to say, like, the last clip with the voiceover talking about my weight and all of that and insecurities I wanted to go to, I really want y'all to see, like, where I'm at in my mind about actually getting on my shit. And a whole part, I don't know, I feel like the whole part of this mental health thing is getting back on YouTube. I miss having conversations, actually losing weight, and holding myself accountable. But I didn't want y'all to seem like that was random. But on the bigger note, I'm not cleaning that bathroom and closet today. I'm not doing that shit today. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to do I think I'm gonna do like a 2 or 3 a.m. closet organization type video, but I'm not cleaning that closet today. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But again, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you become a Jamie Honor, and if you guys want me to start posting vlogs, let me know, please. But definitely, I love y'all. Thank you for all the support. And I made this video for the person that said I want more cleaning videos and to hear more about your life.